Number 121. Which clouds likely to cause heavy rainfall? A. Nimbostratus. B. Cirrocumulus. C. Stratocumulus. D. Stratuscumulus. And the correct answer is B. Cirrocumulus. Question number 122. What is a cyclone? And the correct answer is C. A low pressure system with anti-clockwise winds in northern hemisphere. Question number 123. Warm air tends to rise up through cold air because the warm air is heavier. B. The warm air is denser. C. The warm air is less denser. D. Of convection. And the correct answer is C. The warm air is less denser. Question number 124. The highest salinity is found in A. Dead Sea. B. Red Sea. C. SL Lake. D. None of these. And the correct answer is C. SL Lake. Question number 125. What is an iceberg? A sea mammal. B. A floating mass of ice. B. C. A frozen sea. D. A large coral formation. And the correct answer is B. A floating mass of ice. Question number 126. Which is the most abundant component of salts in sea? A. Calcium. B. Sodium. C. Chlorine. D. Potassium. And the correct answer is C. Chlorine. Question number 127. Which ose is found in great abundance in the Atlantic Ocean? A. Radiolarization. B. Petropod. C. 𝘘𝘶𝘦𝘳𝘪𝘦𝘴. D. Diatom. And the correct answer is C. 𝘘𝘶𝘦𝘳𝘪𝘦𝘴. Question number 128. Which of the following regions have the lowest salinity? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Dead Sea. C. Mediterranean Sea. D. Great Lake. And the correct answer is C. Mediterranean Sea have the lowest salinity. Question number 129. Organisms that live on the ocean bottoms are A. Plankton. B. Benthos. C. Nekton. D. All of these. And the correct answer is B. Benthos. For all competitive jobs preparation, subscribe Reti Educational Academy YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, WhatsApp and TikTok. Question number 130. The grassland of Asia is called A. Dons. B. Wells. C. Pumps. D. Steppe. And the correct answer is D. Steppe. Question number